OKFM 101.7.
Mami gwadi nkomo we mesa ba mo che me da so ke 101.7 so ni na eye lawyer Kwesi Botchwey Junior council member ewo ewura edubu ahin case ni na ye ne no emfa nkomo nhye so de ye hwe se de ene emasitie council me mo che
Pakwa me kuma tikete na bia boko de
boko na wo so
anyame adom me ho ye ba na me say o have experience awo abakose mu ni aka na amamre mu I think that you should consider taking a course at Tell University be about some of these things when a young generation na e ba no so be benefit.
What you say?
What being was on your money pa?
Because I was artistic and then cultural officer of Ghana National Cultural Center.
Oh, great. Great. But I think that you should consider lecturing as part-time.
But
students need to be knowledge in the pastor.
Amen. That's Lord, that's it. Now, my boy Chenya was sick. Kwesi Botchwey Junior challenges age's narrative in a Dubois trial. A dear narrative, no dear Babontia, we give this 2 foot to Gunkrofweni.
But that's a baby of a Kwame Comatication. I'm a Facunya, and I'm in chair one cast, and I'm in chair for Beja for your Muya Jumenia, and I'm in chair Ghana for Ajibre, any other Giano Pay, yes, you will feed the Cassinia. Sandra, the Leonard Attorney General, a press conference, as usual, Ebe church and same Ebe car in same bishop. Na ewo ora edubu ahende no so no asem attorney general e kan ye ne say ora edubu ahen ye appointed no ewo National Signals Bureau in 2007 and 2017 no obeda ne director anase penipa no that National Signals Bureau na no that same way na me hu ni say age in statement ni inaccurate kaka. If it's of a Kwame Nkrumah, say in 2007, na Ghana, you need agency via a friend the National Signals Bureau. In 2017, you need agency via a friend the National Signals Bureau. Then National Signals Bureau no, na establish that bureau as an agency of government no. You passes on 29 December 2020. It was in December 2020 na Ghana, a state agency by recognizing and recognizing your friend on National Signals Bureau. It is the Attorney General in 2007, he appointed Kobne Dubois as a staff of National Signals Bureau. And in 2017, obey a director, not a mopenia. It cannot be accurate. Then, the attorney said, Kwabne Dubois, you are appointed, no, and after you employing, and okay, your appointment, your employment as a staff of the National Security Secretariat in 2017. I know your staff, I know your Juma Oho. And 2017, no, or rise it through the ranks. A director at the unit, of the National Security Secretariat. But I have National Security now, you were communications department, your research department, your external security department, your human security department, your department BBB, and our unit BBB. In 2017, Momna obey penny under one of the units, one National Security Secretariat, and I said, no, no, yet director, our National Signals Bureau. That is not the fact, and that is not correct. Number 2, agent Anka Bibi said, conversation is we are with
Council.
Yes, sir.
Baby, you can't say he was appointed in 2007 and now by a director 2017. And now the Ebian briefing year now separate the records and then accurate.
In fact, my junior me say people briefing in our briefing here because her entire cabinet do boy assembly now utie asema ya the Leonard Attorney General nekana which means that clearly he has been misbriefed. Nipa no briefing no nipa no and some nothing or dear Bishi Attorney General because some baby no can be honoma and you're totally not the reality and representing the true fact. And you know, and then I but send an American account in a one terminal. Of a comic over here, Attorney General Ninko Popi Akate, and Pabna Dubai first came from a state BNC to his private BNC. Mr. Bra, Attorney General, anyway, has said something, no, I can't say that's canon or the upper properties near the idea. But I think that's fundamentally not correct because DNC are near the Bureau of National Communications and I'm not Pabna Dubai unit head, you know. That BNC no any account to. Yes, funny say despite media, okayfm senate. It's BNC in the national security nase. Okayfm, ankasa any account. Them despite media and the one account. But despite media account now or what as a mother account, you know. And after the National Security Secretariat account na war no. That account na omutidi omujumania. It is a unit be our national security nasia or certain account or nothing is seeker from the National Security Secretariat budget. Because unit nankasa the only budget. What did American say? Yes, funny say you call a Ministry of Education and not a Ministry of Employment. Focus our ministry now. Communicating department of the ministry, no. Or no kasa the only budget Ministry of Finance the man. Now Ministry of Finance budget, you know, a couple the ministry itself. The ministry that wide the agencies under the ministry. It is a national security in some no. Next year, International Signals Bureau there only account. There is nothing like a state BNC. Now what exists is a national security coordinated account. And on that exists. And on that you know, inaccurately and not unfortunately, I'm misrepresenting of the state BNC account. The two national security in whom there is nothing like a state BNC account. That is the first inaccuracy. Now the second inaccuracy you know, as a federal and say there was a private BNC account Kobne Dubai in Nigeria for the company Sebi Omudi we or my Nisika and also Omode Siponi or my Nisika Ekogum. And sister, the private BNC no a special purpose vehicle the National Security Coordinator no another Nipana Okita the National Security Coordinator's account no and the Sikanema unit na but the Sikanema I want to mean you can go fee and I want to mean you can go them. I was saying when your account via a sanctioned by the National Security Council. How would this can be Guma or the Berane was said? I am breaking it down. Let me use despite media as an example. Despite media and the mother organization to say the National Security Council and I said the Secretariat. Coordinator or down no you were Father Dixon. Now, over National Security, where there is a unit under the National Security called okayfm. And also penny or down no, for example, your friend of Kwame Nkrumah ticket here. Now, it's say okayfm a unit only budget or no Ginisika every National Security Council on the honor. The National Security Coordinator, another Nipo or down no, despite media and friend Father Dixon Kwame Nkrumah ticket here scattered. But when you operate, you have a media engagement. You must enter Kwesi Kumasi baby, you have a cost as okayfm unit under national security now. Your mouse cannot say, won't be first set canoe and go wardrobe more there. And not be from Kobu Kermo. Also keep it canoe baby, coordinate and any subediatry, another opening any bediatry. And to coordinate and approve it, and a young creative bank account. And new agency needing air except it's a registered general, a registered company, your man opportunity to register company, your friend or Bureau of National Communications, and on it's a private company. And then a special purpose vehicle to keep the money of the Bureau of National Communications for the purposes of special operations. Our one go about what is American. And you know that account.
Yeah, Lord me patro me too.
It is that account and in that account Sebi obi ekreti yese or the baby wia or mine sika na se bibi. Eti owa kuma me de American ni ya ni se I was say age na kasa enya botre. Na sa asem na sa no beka ho asem bia no. And I say other matters are a war of criminal nature no beka ho asem bia no no kasa enya botre. Now on study the issues surrounding those particular cases. No one kasa enya a fair understanding of that criminal.
Counsel Mibisa, why does he choose the newsroom over the courtroom? May say, why does he choose the newsroom over the courtroom?
No, yeah, honorable fellow to put to quartier Jumamani because Attorney General or what the knack and penchant for media headlines are. Maybe won't be that because I know no Attorney General in Yano. We've had a lot of Attorney Generals in the history of the Fourth Republic. But Osha, Attorney General, we ACN in Semna, Utimika Bejina Hokase, Ubia for a criminal enterprise, and your risk. The Attorney General who quite say, Obekase, Obi a criminal, not to be a risk. All what you do is all the Assembly Court. Now, a court of competent jurisdiction decided as to Nipano a risk and not a Nipani risk. But the Attorney General, you know, strategy are all used to any Duma or Dinese or information, not the about the bully panel for our media. It wasn't Nipano in the minds of right thinking Ghanaians, Niano. You only panic Sebu or your crop. They say offer NSS Asemia, NSS in Kofa and Wohonia. You say Ubia who almost on me a crop. Offer Cornedu by Asemia. Minds of some people or moon is on any year a crop. Offer Professor Mia Kunsia was some Ghana year after Ninquandeni Nin Penny or Yasum Ghana. I'm not probably who is there Sebu or your crop because of some of the utterances Attorney General na make. Meanwhile, Yambrana established Attorney General Office now under Article 88. Zambra Corona 1992 Constitution no at Article 19 a person is presumed innocent until proven guilty. It is that presumption of innocence. They say a petit business Attorney General no. They say Zambra ni ho bi mo Ghana ha na. Anytime dia no or choose the media over the court. Nobody is saying here. Those to be up a bicycle, a uniparanaji a bicycle and I say BB. But all what everybody's against is that Ubejina media and so a convecting pan our media anima cannot be proper. But Unkopa not say you and can no more your client. And you say rap of Nadu for will be any of Nadu for the lawyer and they are Attorney General to say no. Only the opportunity, only the Mecca Attorney Nadu for. Abo my na bibi and there also press conference now. All what the AG was doing was trying to justify their Ora Cobnedu for a year, no. Obian Castle Cobnedu for a real Minica now, a ball my necker. Then won't papa so. It's the question among for business. Is it a case because Dominica Yini? Tama own young Attorney General and none or next line. And I have Dr. Cobnedu for Dr. Cobnedu for Temnidi or Baby defending Nana. That is what everybody is asking. But I think that as an Attorney General and as a leader of the bar, you don't have to give room for such speculations and such issues. In my respected and humble opinion, maybe when it says issues of conflict of interest, because I am a lawyer and the abiding the General Court. Abiding has to start fast forward. Baba Attorney General. Who's the Nipa Kroya? What's the Nipa Kroya lawyers? Come to 4 lawyers. Any Attorney General a richy deal. Why not come now to 4 lawyers? But I saw your press conference, not at base capital lawyers, reach out to him. Now, base capital lawyers, you know, and they had a respected and learned side of story. Katomukomube offer 10 million CDs, and not say on this. Now, then I come now to 4 lawyers, and your cousin come now to 4 lawyers, and I reach out to him. One book of now to 4 lawyers needing. Because the Attorney General was the lawyer for Comnado 4. Dominica was the lawyer for Comnado 4. His law firm was the firm representing the respected and venerable Dr. Comnado 4. And so people are beginning to ask questions. People are beginning to raise issues there. Is it a case of conflict of interest? Is it a case of Attorney General where a case of conflict of interest now, or they yet can Yamanana. It is of a kuma. Maybe they are making an attorney general no. They are prosecuting for all money remaining within the remit of the court. On that public commentaries and media commentaries to make people accused persons look bad and look guilty and feel convicted in the court of public opinion. That is not proper, and that can never be proper, and that is not part of our democracy. If you want to, yes, so because who makes it say, Obi Asebe, you didn't general court. Now, Tony General, about the general media, so I can say, you cannot commit criminal enterprise. And I say, you cannot act for my nittica, you cannot every of my nittica. No. So, what be there's any every of my nittica court? What the court is, so I remember general media name, misrepresent the fact. Obi Anon penny, our National Signals Bureau in 2017, what be a say, Nipani a penny in 2017, just to make your matter look nice, to make your case look nice. Then a bear amount for every police, amount for iodine every year. You know,
Council, Mamusa last question. Yet he said, baby, no, you ready why you say, we're up to for plea bargaining. And no, it's saying, it is yes, more cost for plea bargaining. And no, side of case in the bay.
Oh, to the best of my knowledge, there is nothing like plea bargain.
Oh, okay.
Plea bargain because plea bargain is an admission of guilt.
Sure.
When you plea bargain, and not just say their charges they are toast no what you have to say where the bonino. So I buy him now on fan child now you mitigate you or sentence. Nema now also refund this can be an ACBB. So plea bargain is an admission of guilt. I come next wife or not there or the firm conviction and he is of the firm mindset on foul minisika. And to want on foul minisika no and also on foul minisika enko wadan 3 months no on the kate or copo plea bargain a bear to tell you what foul minisika na what the atum there be and I don't think that is even on the table. But of Kwame, but my cancer and the tell me assembly no our national security implications. And so I would even wait to say the AG will reach out to the defense team and then they try to find a way to manage this matter. Because now we have the national security bank records have a trouble thing. They say in my say security head will operate special purpose vehicle, another special operations account biano, and you're prone for potential prosecution. Meanwhile, we also know say Yoko for operating special operations account, and I before operating special operations account, NACOC for operating special operations account. That high security, intelligence organizations in your operating national special operations account. So the question amount will be that they say, "Oh, be operating special account be an abandoned bar, which made the look of court there. What for my nitika and I say, will we my nitika now?" It's in the same way, and me, I choose because one national security implications and because Ghana in 24 years and brown, and national security assembly and the can will be dream. It's no more party the Security and Intelligence Act. Protect our Security and Intelligence Act, and Brownie explained that he is to national security operative and not a security intelligence technique in the Bolivia. I was there. Attorney General, no, extra comma, Chief Justice, not Chief Justice, set up a special tribunal. Am I editing that? And the reason for the special tribunal no, is because of the national security system. But then, the national security system near Guabonting. I mean, in the interest of the state, me, I don't think they are proper. Because we are also mining here, we are betting up a national security bank record here, Guabonting. After being carefully, and we are Ghana for, then no more security in Yama. And we all have to be minded, especially when a man may try and wait here, we see some sort of political instability in those countries now. I think that we just have to be minded about some of these things. In the interest of national justice and in the interest of the greater good, some of these national security matters have to be managed properly. Because law not require the national security officer be go rogue. And I say, on him, Brano, a year be a boy, bra, and what say you're then a passo.
I see. Mamma, no, I say no pay.
Mr.
Maybe you saw me fro, Matty.
That's
you. Lawyer Kwesi Botchwey Jr., a council member. Ewo yewra edubuan the case a wamudi no na mame fa we mfem pacho end point homeopathy
okayfm 101.7